It has never been an easier way to make money in day trading in the year 2026. With so many resources and opportunities coming into this year, there is no reason why no one could be a successful day trader in the year 2026. Hi, my name is Aries, and this year I took it upon myself to make a series demonstrating how beginner traders or even advanced traders can start making 100K per month simply by day trading prop firms. I know, that might sound super crazy to even believe or understand. But in this video, I'm going to be breaking down exactly how I plan to do that this year. So if that sounds interesting to you guys, and you guys are new to the channel, and you guys like everything I've been saying so far, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the family. But enough talking, I know exactly why you guys clicked on the video, so let's get started. Okay, you guys, so this is a 3-step process that I'm going to be breaking down to you guys, okay? So step number 1 is we are going to be trading with prop firms. If you guys are a new trader, I would go on Google or YouTube and look at what a prop firm is. This really isn't the video to be going in depth of what a prop firm is. There are a lot of great resources out there that you guys could find that I highly recommend. Just go on YouTube or Google. There's a better explanation out there than what a prop firm is. So getting that out of the way. The prop firms that we are going to be starting with, or the prop firm that we are going to be starting with, is going to be the prop firm Top Step. Top Step allows you to have 5 trading accounts, ranging from a 50K account all the way up to a 150K account, I believe. In this series, we will be only trading the 50K accounts, and we'll be having or obtaining, 5 of them. Okay. Now that brings us over to number 2. So number 2, or step number 2, is simply the game plan, okay? So I'm not gonna sit here and talk to you guys about the game plan. I'm actually gonna dive onto my desktop and show you guys firsthand. So enough talking, let's actually switch over and go over the details of how we're actually going to accomplish this. Okay, you guys, so now we're on my desktop or my trading setup, okay? And I'm gonna be actually breaking down the plan for you guys right now. So I did use ChatGPT just to make out this nice and beautiful information to share to you guys, just to make it a little bit easier so you guys can visually see it. Go back within the video and just reread everything that is in here. Just some free information to show you guys exactly how we do plan to do this and how starting, which I will be posting my trades every single day. The video won't be posted that day, it will actually be posted the very next day. So just keep that in mind. But this is basically how we're going to be doing this, okay? So how we are going to obtain this with 4 to 5 50K accounts, preferably 5, but you can also do this for 4. 4 would be a little bit, harder, but 5 would just be a little more simpler math, okay? So basically, if we're starting out with 4 accounts, okay? So 4 accounts, funded with Top Step. I'm only going to be trading gold primarily. That is my bread and butter. I love me some gold. I love me some GC. I love me some XAU USD, if you know what I'm talking about. So we're only going to be trading gold, guys, for the majority of this challenge. I will dabble into a little bit of NAS, a little bit of US30 and things of that nature, but preferably will be gold. Okay, so the daily plan, guys, super simple. Risking $250 to make $500. The key here is we are looking for a 1-to-1 to 1-to-2 risk reward. This risk $250 is going to change as we build these accounts, but starting off, we will be only risking $250 to make $500. Okay, the monthly goal, right, to make 10K a month, right, is 10K a month. 100K a year, we need to start hitting some of these 10K months, right? Just to give us a little bit of a buffer if we ever have a losing month or a losing week, So hopefully that makes sense. Okay, so 10K month equals $500 per trading day. Realistically, take out the weekends, you have 20 trading days in a month. Okay. And I also put why I'm using 3 micros instead of 3 minis or 1 mini. And this is a good explanation here. Why 3 micro, gold contracts, see those information here, the reasoning, preferably where I want my stop loss. All of this shit, like I said, this is the chat GBT. This is a quick overview. You guys can go back and read this, but this is basically the, your entry, your stop loss, your TP, all that great information you need there. If you guys want to follow this to the exact T, okay? The win rate needed in order to make this happen. For my strategy, I do have about 70% win rate. So as you can see, with just a 33% win rate, you'd actually break even. With a 40% win rate, you'd be profitable. And anything beyond that is just, it's great, okay? Da, da, da. And then this also just keeps going down and breaks down the realistic side of how this could actually play out, okay? So, conservative scenario, very realistic. A 45% win rate with 20 trading days. I win 9 times, 4,500. I lose 11 times. That's 2,750. With 1,750 per account, and let's say in this scenario you only have 4 accounts, not 5 yet, you would end up being $7,000 in profit. Now that isn't 8,000 whatever change it is to make 100K, but even you guys can see with even losing days, you are able to make 7 grand a month, which in this economy and some people's jobs, that is absolutely great money on top of you guys' careers. So you guys can actually see I'm not going to scroll down this whole entire thing, but you guys can see the math behind how this is actually possible, and not having to take those 1,000K trading days, 2 grand, 3 grand, all these things you see on social media on these 50K accounts. To me, is absolutely crazy. If you understand what a 50K account actually is, and how these people are making 2, 3, 4, 5K in a day, then they blow their accounts. Well, in reality, that's too much for a 50K account. When you could just spread out or diversify, these easy trades, 250, 500 across several accounts, that's how you're able to stay in the game longer. Okay, so this is going to be our approach. That's what I said. This is a little bit better for beginner traders or even advanced traders to go with this process. Okay. So I'm not gonna make this video too long. So hopefully that information is everything that makes sense to you guys. And if this information does make sense to you guys, you actually like this plan, once again, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to join the Harry's family. Because why not? We're awesome, especially in the year 2026. Okay. And so just to show you guys the stats so far, this is TradeZella. This is how I do track my trades. Okay. And we've already kind of started this process along. Okay. So on the first, we took a $204 trade. On the fourth, we took a $179 trade, which these trades I had to move my stop loss to break even and anything like that. So we weren't able to secure the 500, but if a bare minimum for me to enter the market whatsoever is just enough to secure a payout with Top Step. Okay. So for these first couple of days, that is the reason why you see that. We did already request a payout with Top Step, which was absolutely beautiful. Start up the year in 2026. Okay. So, like I said, 204, 179, and then Monday, we took a $500 win, which was absolutely nice. Okay. So you guys can already see already we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more trading days, and we will absolutely secure another payout, preferably this week or the beginning of next week. Okay. So these are the stats so far. So currently up for the month, $883. Do that over a course of several accounts. Okay. So that's stats on that so far. And that's honestly where I may wrap up the video. Okay. If you guys want to see the trades that I take, I used to have a Telegram. I do not this year. You guys can always find me on Aries Trades on my Instagram channel. Go there, send me a little message, say, hey, I saw your YouTube video. I like what you're doing, and we can chat all over there. Okay. Outside of that, guys, let's get this journey started. I will once again be sending out my trades tomorrow on Wednesday. I only trade New York session when I where? Okay, English is hard. Where I will be sending out my trades, sending out my videos during New York session, 8 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. So just be aware of that. Okay, but enough talking, you guys. This is a year of excellence. This is a year of dedication. This is a year of determination. Sticking to our goals, sticking to our plans, sticking to everything we said we were going to do. Okay. And in this series, hopefully, you guys stick around for the entire thing to see a guy make, normal everyday trader make $100,000 a year. And hopefully, you guys do the same thing in this series. So, enough talking. I love you guys to death. Thank you for all of you guys subscribing to my channel last year and this year. You guys are absolutely amazing. And I hope to see you guys in the very next video. Love you guys. Aries is out. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.